This key's been in trouble lately. Will not turn the cylinder. I'm gonna make a new key. All right, it should be key number 16 for that door. 16. Okay, let's go back to the original key, put it in the key cylinder and make sure it turns. It unlocks the door. It does. Alright, so we'll take our blank and we will go and cut it. Alright, it's small, but the code for this blank is 5. It's just very small. And there's the DI 45. Okay, this would be the original key. You see the teeth are already cut out. And here's the blank. It's flat on top. And I'm just going to press them together and turn it so I can show the profile. And the keyway is the same. Alright, let's cut a new key. But first, let's get some eye protection on. Gloves, no gloves. You have a high spinning cutter here, high rotation, and you don't want gloves to get grabbed and pull your hands in there. So eyes on and hands free. Alright, let's begin. This is the original key. This is the guide. I'll go ahead and put it in. We're going to butt it up right against the shoulder here. Make sure it's flat. Tighten it down. We're going to do the same thing over here for our blank where the cutting wheel is. Hold it in nice and tight. Turn on the machine. So what we're going to do is bring the key up to the guide. And just don't force it, move it along, let it cut. I'm going to go ahead and make 4 or 5 passes. This is my second pass. So the key is cut. I'm going to take my fresh key out of here. I'm going to turn that back on. I'm going to buff it. I want to buff all the sharp edges off here so these fragments of soft brass that you see laying around here don't get in the key cylinder and screw it up. That should be good. Let's take it over to the cylinder and make sure it operates before we put it into use. Let's check it out. Nice. Let's make sure the tumbler turns the other way. Very good. Now remember to like and subscribe.